Managing all of your passwords without a password manager can be a real nightmare. In this NordPass tutorial 2024 edition, I'll demonstrate just how easy it is to use one of the leading password managers on the market. From setup to everyday use and advanced features, I've got you covered. Before I get into this NordPass beginner's guide, let's see whether you can trust this provider. First up, NordPass has modern encryption. It's as advanced as it gets in the password manager industry. Next, there's its zero-knowledge architecture. This is key for any password manager because it means nobody, not even the staff at NordPass, can see or access what you've stored. And NordPass even went through multiple independent audits to prove this. Add in automatic backups, multi-factor authentication, and the fact that NordPass has never been breached, and you've got one of the most secure password managers out there. All right, let's get to the tutorial. The very first thing you'll have to do is pick a plan. NordPass offers family, premium, and free plans. And as usual, with paid options, the longer you commit, the cheaper it gets. So the 2-year plans are the best deal. The premium version of NordPass includes all the features: data breach scanner, emergency access, safe item sharing, and a password health checker. A great benefit of the NordPass Premium plan is unlimited active sessions, meaning you can stay logged in on as many devices as you want at the same time. Now, the NordPass Family plan has all the same features, but it covers up to 6 accounts, so it's perfect if you're buying for multiple users. Value-wise, it's already worth it if there's at least one more user apart from yourself. Lastly, the free plan is much more limited, but a solid choice among the best free password managers out there. It covers all the basics, like storing and generating passwords and secure notes, with no limit on how many you can store. It's a great way to get a feel for how password managers work. That said, as your needs grow, you'll likely find it too limiting. If you want either of their premium plans, I've got discounts, which you can get by scanning this QR code or by clicking the links in the description. By the way, since NordPass offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, there's no risk in trying it out. Okay, so now that you have a plan, the next step in this NordPass for Beginners guide is to get the app. It's available on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, as well as Android and iOS. Alternatively, you can use it as a web app, and there isn't that much difference, as the interface looks the same. Let's get to the installation. It's super easy, whichever operating system you're using, but I'll be showing you how it's done on my desktop device. Once you click on the installation file, just follow the on-screen instructions. The setup should only take a couple minutes. After that, you'll need to create your NordPass account. Begin by crafting a strong and unique master password that you'll remember, as this will be your main password to access your NordPass vault. It's crucial not to reuse passwords from other accounts in order to maintain security. Once your master password is set, I recommend generating a recovery code. This code acts as a safety net if you ever forget your master password. To be honest, the entire setup process is super simple, but if you encounter any issues, NordPass offers excellent customer support, accessible 24/7 through their website or the app. Alrighty, now that we're in the app, let's explore NordPass features and how to use NordPass. First, you'll want to import old passwords. NordPass allows you to import from other popular password managers or most internet browsers. To do this, click on the Settings button, scroll down to Import and Export, and click on Import Items. Then, choose where you want to import from. If you're importing from another password manager, you'll need to save a CSV file from it first. Next, you might want to add new passwords that haven't been imported. Click on Passwords in the left-hand menu, and then click on the Add Password button. Fill in the details, and click Save. Some of you have been asking about a NordPass tutorial for browsers, so let's do a quick one. I'll use Chrome, but the extension is also available on all of the other most popular browsers too. Adding the extension is simple. Just head to the Chrome Web Store and search for NordPass. Find the NordPass extension by Nord Security and click Add to Chrome. Confirm the installation by clicking Add Extension. The download and install should take just a few seconds, unless your internet speed is really slow. Once installed, you'll see the NordPass Password Manager icon in your Chrome toolbar. Click on it to log into your NordPass account. Follow the prompts to sync your passwords, and that's it. Now you can securely manage your passwords. The key feature of the extension is autofill, and NordPass has done a good job with it. It's convenient and straightforward. Whenever I need to enter my credentials, I get 2 options. Select a saved password from my vault, or save a new one. If you find that your contact details aren't automatically filled, just go to the app, choose Personal Info, click Add Personal Info, and fill in the details. Next time you're completing an online form, these details will automatically appear after a simple click. By the way, if you're enjoying this NordPass tutorial 2024 edition, don't forget to like and subscribe. We've got much more content coming on our channel. All right, let's get back to the app. Previously, I showed you how to add your passwords, but what if you need a new one? In that case, use the NordPass password generator feature located under the Tools tab. It allows you to generate a strong password in just a few seconds. You can specify the length of the password and choose whether to include numbers, symbols, and both uppercase and lowercase letters. There's also an option to generate phrase passwords, which can be easier to remember for your logins. Once you've set your preferred parameters, click the Generate button. You can then save the password by clicking on the plus sign icon. NordPass allows me to categorize passwords into folders like work, social, or other categories. These folders can also store secure notes, credit card details, and personal information, including images or videos. Additionally, NordPass allows me to share that information with colleagues, friends, or family. I can easily manage who has access to specific items, and sharing is quick and secure, with encryption ensuring intended recipients can read the shared data. To ensure your account's security, NordPass offers a password health checker that I highly recommend using, as chances are you've accumulated many weak passwords over the years. You can find this feature under the Tools tab too. This feature categorizes passwords into weak, reused, and old. It's crucial to change any passwords that fall into any of these categories. Another useful feature to safeguard your online identity is the data breach scanner. It's also found under the Tools tab. By adding your email addresses, you can monitor if any of your information has been compromised or leaked online. This feature scans the dark web databases and notifies you about breaches, providing you details on what information was leaked, how the breach occurred, and when it happened. Despite having a lot of extra features, NordPass just keeps on adding them. Earlier this year, email masking was introduced. This feature allows you to generate alternative email addresses, protecting your personal credentials when interacting online. Another rather new functionality is Passkeys. It provides an additional layer of security and replaces the use of passwords. Let me quickly show you how to use them. Go to Settings or Security Options. Here, you can enable Passkeys. Then, create an account on that website that supports this feature. During sign-up, you might encounter options like Create a Passkey or Sign up with a security device. Once your account is set up, to switch your old passwords to Passkeys, navigate to Security Settings. Some sites allow multiple passkeys per account. After updating your accounts, your NordPass passkeys are stored under the Passkeys tab. There's one more premium feature I want to cover. It's Emergency Access, which allows one designated NordPass user to access your passwords and notes in case of an emergency. Setting it up is quite straightforward. Navigate to Settings or look for the Emergency Access feature and start the setup process. Enter the email address of the person you trust to access your account during an emergency and decide on a waiting period during which you can cancel the request. All right, that wraps up everything you need to know about using NordPass, which stands out as one of the best password manager options. It's user-friendly, yet packed with features for advanced users. Moreover, its premium and family plans are very affordable. So if after watching this NordPass beginner's guide, you decide to give it a try, I have an exclusive deal waiting for you. Click on the screen now to take advantage of it. That's all in this NordPass beginner's journey. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.